member for Malpen.
My question, Madam Speaker, is for the government's chief spy master, who is so intent on snooping into Canadians' private email and the laptops of the nation. But they are not stopping at emails. The minister's bill allows government agents to enter on an internet service provider when they want, without a warrant, and demand to see absolutely everything and even to copy it all. Just why does this government see every Canadian as an enemy of the state, and why is this minister giving these conservative agents absolute power to pry?
Minister of Finance and Foreign Affairs.
Madam Speaker, there is absolutely no intent to do anything. I completely reject the premise of the member opposite's question. Today, Mr. Speaker, we are very concerned that taxpayers' dollars have been misused by the New Democratic Party on a dirty, sleazy trick campaign. They won't have the courage or the guts to come to this place and to take responsibility for this disgraceful misuse of taxpayers' dollars, Mr. Speaker. Is the NDP, does it now stand for the No Decency Party?